So hey guys, and welcome once more to Primed Money. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to start making money in Nigeria with just 1,000 naira. And this video is going to be a step-by-step procedure video. You don't want to miss any single part of it. I'm going to be showing you the 4 different ways on how to earn with this platform. I'm going to be showing you those 4 ways on how to earn with this platform. So without any further ado, hang on to the end of this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and let's jump right into my screen. Let's go. So guys, and this is my screen right here. This particular website, what they do is that you do different taxes. They have different ways of earning. First you do different taxes and then they pay you, like follow people, like their Facebook page, and all other sort of things. And you could also do other things in this website to actually make money apart from just doing tax, and I'm going to be showing you that as we go further in this video. So let's jump right in. So what we are going to do first is that we want to click on the link in the description below, which should take you to this site, and then you want to hit on sign up. After hitting on sign up, you want to click on to your username or your full name. You want to hit on Emmanuel, Eden. Manuel Eden. So then, whereas this is your referral code, so if yours does not appear like this, you want to put in this right here inside of this box and then hit on sign up. So now you want to enter your username. Just see Eden 23. You want to put an email address right here. You want to say CPA lead. And then you want to put in your password right here. And then click on create account. So we are just going to verify that email address. I'm going to get my phone right here and put in the code 503646 503646, and then want to hit on continue. Then you want to select your gender, male, your state, Cross River State, your local government, your core, and then click on set location. And this is very needful that I'm going to be skipping it. They want to put your date of birth, month, and the year of birth. Then your religion, that'll be Christianity, and then click on continue. So right now, immediately after doing all that, you are going to be brought to this particular page where you see this activate your membership. Now this is where the 1,000 comes in. If you don't activate your membership, you can't actually earn with this platform. I mean, you can't earn a single dime with the platform. Everything works after putting in that first 1,000 naira and you start earning. This platform has paid millions and millions of naira to different people, and you can see it right here in the screen and right here in the screen. So after doing that, what you want to do is that you want to click on become a member, and you can see all the benefits right here that comes with becoming a member. Earn steadily, daily figures, earn instant referral commission, earn social referral commission, start your airtime business inside of here, sell anything on Hawkit market. So you just have to click here to pay that 1,000 naira, and you want to click on 100% secured online. This will take you to the Flutter Wave. You want to input your card right here. You want to input your card, the month and the CVV, and then click on pay 1000, or you could use USSD or bank transfer to do this. After doing that, the money is going to automatically credit into your platform, and your membership will be paid for. Yeah, your membership will be paid for. And what you want to just do right then is just wait. It will redirect you to your page telling you that you've actually paid for your membership. But I'm not going to be doing that because I already have a members area. So I'm going to just be canceling this. And then I want to go on to log out, and I'll be logging into my account so that I can show you guys how to actually make money after doing those. So I'm going to log into my account right now. It's my password. Click login. So you can see right now we are inside of my dashboard. You can see my balance right here, 215 Naira. I've actually got out some to do some things. And you can see that there are different ways to earn money with this platform. You can see right here, perform social taxes and earn, boost your portfolio. Maybe you're someone who has an Instagram, Facebook or something, a page for your brand, and you want to boost it. You could come here and buy this, buy followers. This is not actually to earn, buy followers and do all sorts of things. You can also earn by starting your own business of selling card inside of this platform. And you can also earn by referral. Yeah, you can earn really big by referral. And you can also earn by selling physical products and digital products inside of this platform. So we are going to start with the first one right here. So if you click on that, at the norms in the phone version, on your app version, you're just going to scroll down and click on perform social tax. Now this tax comes every day. You can see right now there's no tax. That's because they've not even sent me a message that they've put up a tax for today. It might come in the evening, it might come later in the day, I don't know, but at least a day you have about 2 tax to finish. And the more you do the tax, the more they give you taxes. You can see I have so many cancelled and which I didn't meet up with. So you see right here, pending. After doing it, they are going to give you the instruction. You upload it, and then if it's completed, it shows right up here that you've completed all your tax. You can see all the tax right here I've completed. Going down, and that's just it for this particular one. You can see the ones that are cancelled that I didn't meet up with. You can see them right here. So the next way to earn in this platform is actually by selling card. So you can just click on get started. So how you earn by selling a card inside of this platform is that they give you a 10% discount. They give you a 10% discount. So you can be buying from them 100 Naira card at the rate of 90 Naira, and then selling it to the to the public at the rate of 100 Naira and getting a 10 Naira profit out of it. So this is exactly what they mean by you can start up your card and data bundles business with this platform, because they give you a 10% discount in your card. So that is exactly how to earn by selling card in this platform. Up next is by selling products, digital products and physical products inside of this platform. Buy and sell anything on Hawkit. So here you can buy physical or digital products, and this only opens to you when you've actually paid your membership. So you just click on get started. You can start shopping or start selling, and there are millions of people in this platform. So you nearly hit on start selling. You can see right here, for advertising fee, I'm going to be paying the sum of 500. But if you are a new member rather, your first advert is free. If you're a new member, your first advert is always free, very, very free. I have my own advert right here inside of the platform, but right now, if I want to advertise any product again, I'll have to pay the sum of 500 once, to advertise my product. So you can see right here in my profile, let me open that to you, that I have a product right here for sale at the sum of 20,000, and I have about 6.3k views and follows, by the way. So you can see right here I have 3 referrals, rather 1, 5 followers, which came from this particular product I put in here. So if you are a new user, all you just have to do is go in, list your product, put in the image, put in the title, put in the price, put in your location, and so many other things that are really quite easy to fill in. So after you are done with that, you can just click on list my product, and boom, it will be in the marketplace. So next up, another very nice way to earn with this platform is that you want to do this. This is the best way people earn with this platform. Refer and earn big. Refer and earn big. You can see all the benefit that comes with this. Say earn an instant referral commission of 500 Naira if a person becomes a member to this platform, and then earn with social referral commission of 20% of the amount paid. You can see this. They give you 20% if a person buys, a like, a follower, a comment, or any other kind of stuff like that. They give you 20% of the money in which the person used in buying this particular stuff. So if the person used 10,000, 20% of 10,000, you know how much it is. Boom, that is given to you, just for you, by just referring somebody to do this inside of this platform. So that's how easy it is to make money with this platform. So if you want to refer someone, all you just have to do is copy this link right here and then send this link to anybody and tell the person this is how to make money with this platform, and boom, the person registers. You've gotten 500 Naira out of the membership money in which the person paid. So that's exactly how to make money with this platform. There's nothing hard, nothing really complicated inside of this platform. That's exactly how to start making money with this platform. So without any further ado, this is the end of this particular tutorial video on how to make money with Hawkit. This is the end of the tutorial, and you can see my amount right here and growing. It was about 1,000 something. So this is where we come to a close. So if you love this video, I want you to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and make sure to leave your comments, your questions in the comment region, and every other link you are looking for, you find them inside of the description area of this video. No problem. Have a nice day and stay safe.